Hey y'all, it's Kia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this shirt into a bag, no sew. Let's get started. First, you're going to take an old shirt. I have this older, bigger shirt. If you want a bigger bag, you get a bigger shirt. If you want a smaller bag, you get a smaller shirt. First thing we're going to do is cut off the sleeve. The shoulder area on your shirt is your straps. Once we cut off our sleeves, we're then going to make a hole and cut around the collar of the shirt. So now we have this opening in our two straps. You see that? So now we're going to make our fringe. First thing we need to do is to cut off this hem, the bottom of the shirt. Then we're going to make our fringe. And what you do is you cut up to a point where you have enough to make a fringe, but you also want to leave some room for the bag area of your shirt. Okay, so you will be able to tell how much area is left over based on the opening from the armhole to the bottom. Okay, so I left a good amount of room for the bag portion. Now we're going to close the bottom of our shirt. So you're going to grab your tassels, I'd like to call them. You'll grab one from the front of the shirt, another from the back of the shirt that are adjacent to each other, and just do a loose knot, not too tight. Okay, so one piece from the top of the shirt, front of the shirt, and a piece from the back of the shirt right next to each other, and just do a knot. Okay, and you're going to keep doing this all the way across until you get to the end. If you end up with an odd number, that's okay. You can tie two pieces to one piece until you are left with just the last two pieces, if that makes sense. And then you close the bag that way. So as you can see now, we have all of these loose knots. Keep them separated like this because it makes it easier to add our yarn or t-shirt yarn. So you can add the colorful pieces with yarn, or you can add the colorful pieces with more t-shirt. So what you'll do is you can get your t-shirt or your yarn, and you're going to again grab the top piece, another bottom piece, but it's not going to be the bottom piece directly under that top piece. It's going to be the bottom piece to the left. So it's like a diagonal piece. So again, you would grab a piece from the top and grab the piece from the back that's to its diagonal, not directly under it. If that makes sense. So to the one to the left, like you're skipping one and you're tying them together. So what I do is I get a piece of t-shirt. You cut another t-shirt color if you would like, pull on it, and then you're going to add it to these two pieces of string, tie a knot. Then you want to pull on that knot, make it tight. So you can see here, I'm just adding the additional colors so we can add that boho colorful addition to our bag. So I've used yarn, so you can see how yarn is added the same way t-shirt added. But if you don't have additional t-shirts in many colors, yarn is a great alternative. And as you can see, this is super simple. Again, get that top piece, the bottom diagonal piece, tied in a knot. And the reason why we do that is because we want to make sure the bottom is secure. If you happen to see any gaps, you can tie them up next to each other, but this just alleviates any holes or anything poking through your bag. And that's it, y'all. You can cut the strings, make sure they're even, but I promise you that's so simple. I love this idea because the shirts are like stretchy and you can really add a lot of different things in your bag. It's a great way to upcycle shirts you don't wear anymore. Just a great way to upcycle shirts, period. I love this. Is great for the beach. It's perfect. You want to go to the store. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, y'all.